Why do 90% of CapCut creators edit more than one clip at a time? Because single clips are like a pizza with just cheese. Let's add some toppings. All right, let's get rolling. Step 1. Import your clips. Just hit New Project in CapCut, then drag and drop those videos in, like tossing clothes into your laundry basket. Step 2. Arrange them on the timeline. Drag each clip where you want it. On a computer, hold Ctrl to grab a bunch, like picking the best cookies from a jar. Now split and trim. Move the playhead to a spot, hit split, and boom, your clip breaks in two. Need it shorter? Just pull the ends like you're tightening shoelaces. Want some movie magic? Add transitions. Click between clips, choose your favorite, and adjust the timing. It's like flipping pages in a comic book. Ready for pro moves? Try overlays for picture-in-picture, or use split screen to show two scenes at once. Group clips with compound clip to move and edit them as a team. And for the grand finale, use apply to all for effects, or multicam for epic angle switching. Editing multiple clips? Now you're a CapCut pro. High five.